be a foolishness the girl go off. Hey, music, I'm going to get around.
You're them time I can't take video.
No.
No bother with it. I don't want to hear it, brother. You hear me say no? Today, I know that foolishness. You hear me say no? I'm tired of the foolishness. Every time I come around, see what I talk about? Every time I forward around, as I start talk, I talk about why, burn up, yeah, go low, this, that, one bag of foolishness. You hear what? You want to? You hear me say no? I'm in the talking to this. As of today, I go shut my mouth. I'm in the talking.
Alright. Damn, so that's it there for?
Wait for the video.
Alright, fair enough. What's that?
Yeah, dear Janet.
What sexy, brother?
Yeah, dear. Yeah, dear. Come to the user.
I will be a small brother. The man said, nah, talk. You don't want to talk. Man said, nah, talk, you know, because be a bone around is a bone around the necessary.
I'm always
So that you're going to for me? What you say?
Man, I'm not talking.
General.
Yo, fix a face, man.
Yeah, watch him.
Yo, say I do. Where dog you, man?
Yeah, dog, but I can't even show the man dog. Tick!
Tick down.
You know, say a long time I see boy ashing my day.
You ask me for that, man. You love man?
You have to live long in a day.
No yellings, man. No yellings. Yo, Lord, that boy, man. Is it the man that
Him down.
Me idea is a you. Sorry.
Oh, you know, so show me just something into that.
Eh?
What like years, brother? Hey, boy, man, I'm blues, I just don't watch. I just don't watch. You love the pizza, dog. You let me see this look, I'm going to man and gas.
Whoa!
I see the DVD, me have no brother.
Talking about that. Let me see it.
You see this?
There we go. Watch it.
Hold on.
Why the fuck come stop and thing and broke it, dog?
I'm gonna sit down on the thing and broke it down.
You almost not done.
I'm on the street here.
No.
General, you're gone too far.
John Star, you see where me I run from? No matter how much me run from it, is that I can't get it from it. So people, hear me say now. You see if you have a friend like this and them corrupt just like how them corrupt, I just one advice me I give you know. Just one take advice. When you're there on them, all you have to do, shut your mouth. What's up guys, you don't know it's your boy JNL. So I want you guys to check out KD9 Couture Cosmetics, where they have the best in lip gloss, 3D mascara, nail polish remover, skincare products. You don't know how to get them, the number is 07949121724. And I don't know, me have my fragrance already, as you guys can see. So me have the KD9 999 fragrance. I don't know that of a man, and them have the woman fragrance also. You man have the baddest fragrance. I'm out of London, England right now, so I'm visit our Instagram page. You don't know, make sure you know purchase fragrance and thing, mascara. You don't know thing, everything for the girls them. You don't know your boy JNL.